guys! So, it's my birthday. Everyone! It's my birthday! Yung trend na yun. Anyway, I'm gonna document my birthday celebration. It's a month long. Wow feeling. Because I'm turning... Medyo matanda na po tayo. Milestone po. Ngayon na pa siya naghihintay when wala pa eksena niya. Oo naman siya. Next outfit. Papasayaw na talaga ako dito. Salamin, salamin, salamin.
Marshmallow, tarts, brownies.
Well, if you could not get enough of me, now there's two of us. Right?
All the facial expressions.
Oh, look at that. Yes. Oh my God, people are passed it on to my manager, who then passed it on to Tussauds in London.
Okay, yeah.
So it was a very major team effort to get this dress to the artists and the artisans that were working on this likeness.
Hi guys, checking in Solaire Sky Tower Suite. Sobrang blessed ako and sobrang thankful ako with this kasi sobrang ganda talaga nung pagpasok ko sa loob. Parang ang sarap i-video agad. Di ko alam kung ano unahin ko, mag-video ba kagad ako or tawagan ko sila mami na sobrang ganda ng room namin and all. So, I'm just really grateful with Solaire for letting us stay here and to celebrate my mom's birthday and actually like a post-birthday celebration na rin ng birthday ko since pares kaming September baby. Tomorrow, we're just gonna maximize all the amenities. Mag-swimming tayo dyan and syempre, we're gonna try the breakfast also. And since there's a lot of restaurants here in Solaire, there's a whiskey bar. There's a whiskey bar over there. Favorite ko doon, by the way. So, let's see. So, yeah. Guys, since I already did a room tour, I'm gonna tour you with me in the camera. O, diba? Ang ganda. Tapos, dito tayo sa hallway. At, ayan, nandiyan na ang ating mga besita. Kaway-kaway naman kayo dyan. CJ. Ay, Toroy. Oh, kumakain. Uy, secret lang yan. Nag-take out siya. But we have this wine. Thank you so much. At least may wine tayo later. And some desserts here. Good morning, guys. So, it's a beautiful day here in Solaire. Look at our view. And we're gonna go downstairs to fresh for breakfast. So, let's go. Blow mo na, Mi. Dami. Daming wish. Thank you. Thank you po. The team.
Hindi ako sali. Ikaw magkape.
Sige nga, gawin mo nga.
Di ba tapos di ba si ate una? Hindi, sa vlog niya. Iba yun.
Oh, ikaw, dali, yung director ko nagagalit. Ide-demo niya kung paano tamang gagawin.
Dali na.
Yung first take, hindi na video kasi natapunan siya ng kape. Ayun. So ngayon, ituturo niya sa akin. Sige.
Damit mo na natapunan.
Dali na.
Easy. Sabi sa'yo ba yung mas makapag-explore yun? Yan pa rin. Nakasarap! Bobo! Tagal.
Umakting ka lang muna.
Oy, wag mo na kasi ibabaya. Itaas mo na yan. Taas mo na isa.
Sabi mo?
You don't do that to me.
Sasantayin mo na yan.
Hindi. Mo dito.
Ayan.
Hindi yung ilaw. Paano hindi ilaw dito? Walang ilaw yun. Camera.
Huwag mo na sa amin pa, ha?
Action.
Action. Uy.
Ipataka naman ito!
Yun na. Ayan!
Ano ba? Bobo? Bobo yun! Bobo siya!
Bye, ganito. Bye.
Bobo eh! Hindi na ako.
Wait, ano lang?
Kuha.
Tangina mo na.
Kuha. Ganun pala. Ganun pala, direct. Noted.
Uy, ikaw pumalit dyan. Huwag kang pumalit dyan.
Hi guys, since it's my birthday, I'm gonna unbox all my gifts. Grabe, thank you so much guys. Sobrang nakaka-touch. Hindi ko ba in-expect na magkakaroon ako ng gifts talaga. Usually during my birthday, hindi naman din kasi talaga ako celebrate. So bihira lang talaga ako makareceive ng gifts. And I really appreciate you guys. Talagang naglaan kayo ng time to buy these gifts. Sobrang thank you. So, and I just wanna unbox it with you guys. For memories din, kapag pagtanda ako, alam mo yun, papanorin ko, ma-appreciate ko na naman, reminisce. It's all about gratitude. So, let's start. Okay. Yung sa tabi ko muna kasi parang nalalaglag na siya. So, nakakatawa naman na Don Papa Rum ang regalo sa akin ni Josh. So, thank you so much, Josh. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for this alcohol. Kaya ko itong inumin. Char. So, thank you so much, Josh. Lalagay ko na yan dito dahil baka bumagsak. And the next one is from Denise. Siyempre, meron siyang business. It's called Sophistique. It's actually a clothing line. Sobrang ganda. Dati bumili ako sa kanya nung dress na sinuot ko pa sa Danang. Tapos ang dami nagtanong kung ano yung brand na yun. And it's Sophistique. So, nakakatuwa kasi ito talaga yung dating in-order ko na out of stock kasi nga mabenta sa kanya. And nasa akin na siya. Here. It's a white dress. I love kasi yung parang dress na tuloy-tuloy hanggang baba. Ganyan. And it's stretchable. So, ang ganda. Pwede ko pa siyang patuan ng jacket or anything. Basta, ganda. Thank you. And wait, there's more. There's another dress. Oh, cute. Silk dress naman siya. Na talagang alam kong sexy siya. Oh, diba? Halter siyang gano'n. Kilalang-kilala talaga ako ni Denise. Alam niya kung ano yung mga trip kong dress. Ito naman galing kay Bont and Baninay. Okay, thank you so much, Bont, for coming. But kahit wala ka, Baninay, sa birthday ko, I felt you because Bont was there. Thank you kasi naalala niyo pa rin. Nag-gift pa kayo. Thank you. So, obviously, kandila siya. And I love candles. As in, like, every day, nagsisindi talaga ako. Nagsisindi talaga ako ng kandila dito sa condo ko para mas, alam mo yun, mas mabango, mas relaxing yung feeling, ganyan. So, ay, ang bongga naman. Ang laki ng candle. Ay, from H&M Family. Tapos, nakakatuwa kasi, nung inopen ko na siya, syempre, ano siya, very coquette, very me. So, parang sabi tuloy nila, Ruru, si Miss Bea, tsaka si May na curated talaga to for me. Kasi, they know that I love, syempre, mga coquettes, pabini-bini tayo. Diba guys, ang cute, oh. May mga ribbon and skirt, very me talaga. Kasi, siguro parang, naalala nila kapag nagpo-pull out kami sa H&M, it's always me na may pa-skirt, may pa-ganyan, may mga pa-ribbon. So, I so love it, oh. Ay, na-excited na ako sa next travel ko kasi susuot ko siya for sure. Ayan o. Coquette, coquette. Coquette, coquette, coquette. Beanie. Beanie Arianne na talaga ako. So, thank you so much, H&M family. This one, a Barbie bag from Patrick Patawaran. Thank you so much. Ang cute. Very me. Diba? Si Trish, dahil parehas kaming army, ito yung regalo niya sa akin. Jungkookie, dala niya talaga ito nun sa party. As in, nagpasok siya sa bar, tapos ito yung dala niya. Ang cute. Thank you so much, Trish. Aromatic Essence Celestia. Actually, business to ni Angel. Angelica Chara, thank you. Thank you also for coming. Guys, sobrang na-appreciate ko talaga. Ang dami ko talagang in-invite. Kasi parang for me, it's my chance to really socialize with them. Alam mo yun, me as a very friendly person. Kasi, syempre, pag events, medyo nag-work kami doon. Medyo parang kailangan naming mag-shoot for the brands. But, for my birthday, alam mo yun, parang gusto ko wala kayong iisipin na brands, mag-enjoy lang tayo, ganun. Kaya talaga ako nag-birthday. And it's also a milestone because I'm 25. So, ang cute! Cute ang packaging. Look. There. Tapos, another candle. I love it. Uy! Cute! It's purple! Look. It's purple. Ay, para kang pumunta sa spa. Yes, thank you so much. It's a Lily and Jasmine scent. Yan. Lululemon from Kuya John and Jeremy, which is ikakasal na sa October. Yun yung reason bakit ako mag-Italy, mag-Europe ako this coming October. It's because kakasal na sila. And they got me a Lululemon belt bag. Ang cute! Ang cute-cute! Ang cute! Gusto ko siya, in fairness. Pang travel, tapos malapit na mag-winters. Feeling ko sa October magagamit ko siya. Ano naman from my Faces and Curves family. Ayan, ito naman siya. Beyond the Vines. Finally, may Beyond the Vines bag na ako. Tsaka, Mugler perfume. I love it. Cute! No? Love it. Thank you so much, Faces and Curves. Doc Nikki, Doc J, Doc Sheila, pati sinayatan. Thank you so much. Kilala ko na yung buong family nila. Eto, next naman from Zarina. Thank you so much. Ang mga... oh, Victoria's Secret. Oh, Pak. Oh, tama-tama. Kulang na ako ng mga ganito. Sarat lang. What very, provocative. Charot. Eto naman, guys. Grabe, nagulat ako. Hindi to dumating sa mismong birthday celebration ko, but dumating siya sa condo ko mismo. This orchid from Plains and Prince. Thank you so much, Plains and Prince family. Grabe, nagulat ako dito na parang, natatakot ako. Sana kaya ko siyang buhayin. Sana hindi siya mamatay. And guys, comment down below kung paano ba ito inaalagaan. Kasi baka hindi ko rin siya ma-maintain. Ang cute, ang bango. Ang ganda, oh. Cute. Thank you so much, Plains and Prince family. Yan, tatabib ko muna siya dito. Kasi mag-unbox pa tayo. Guys, meron akong friend na influencer sila. Tapos, mag-BFF sila na parehas silang mommy pero sobrang sexy, sobrang ganda. Paano naman maging ganun, diba? So, ang social pa nung nila, regalo nila sa akin, may pa-Hermes at may pa-Chanel, diba? So, this one is from Mika. Thank you so much, Mika Arevalo. Ito. Yan. Meron na akong blush. Water-based na blush. This one naman is from Shine. Kasama ko siya sa Elizabeth Arden event sa Singapore. Magkakasama kami nun. And wala, nakapag-bonding din kami dun. It's a lip care oil, color and scent. Cute. Pakita ko sa inyo na mas malapit na. Ayan. My friends are so social! How can I keep up? So next would be the speakers from Jasper. Thank you so much. So he came all the way from Pampanga and then nag-BGC siya. Sobrang busy niyang tao. Sobrang the best host siya. So if you want to book him, Jasper Tiongso. Siyempre nung mismong birthday ko, inopen ko na lahat. Na-excite ako masyado. So this one is a very cute speakers. Very like funky siya. Cute. Parang granada. Char! Anja, James, Magnus, and Zach, thank you! Ay, tama-tama, kailangan ko ng linen spray. Thank you so much. Your fam talaga, grabe. Love na love ko yan eh. Yung apat na yan. Apat na sila eh. Baka naman maglima pa kayo ha. Teka, hahabol ako. Char! Ito na! Etong Christian Dior, hindi talaga Christian Dior. Pero, package tong na-receive ko. Galing from my friends. So, sila Rhea, sila Vina, sila Kat, sila Ave, sila Michael for this one. So, backstory guys, kasi we attended this event in Nespresso. Long story short, after ng event, gusto kong bumili ng Nespresso. Virtuo na yun. Pero parang pinipigilan na lang ako. Kasi yun pala, bibigay nila sa akin. Thank you guys. I love you. I love coffee. They know that. And talagang ang tagal-tagal ko ng wishlist tong Nespresso na to. It's just so happen na hindi ko siya nabibili. Parang ang dami ko rin kasing nasikaso, ang dami ko rin bayaran, ganyan. So, finally, eto na! Tapos, hindi lang yun. So, I have the coffee machine. Tapos, syempre, kailangan din ng pods, diba? So, meron pa rin silang pods na vinegar. Nakakatuwa. Ang dami nito, guys. Love it. Thank you so much. Okay. So, yan box natin to kung ano yung tsura. Kasi meron siyang iba-ibang colors. May red, may orange. Yung pumuntahan namin yun nga yung pinromote nila na parang orange for tuwo. I think, ito yung white na gusto ko. So, probably ito nga yun. Sana. White nga! I love it. Finally, I'm having this one. You're mine! You're mine! So guys, ito yung pods niya. Very flavorful, very earthy, very coffee-ish. Wow! I love it! Kaso mapapaggasos din ako sa pods ulit. Ganyan. So, yeah, thank you so much. It's a dream come true. Dream come true. Thank you, friends, guys. And I think that's it for my unboxing. Thank you so much for watching.